ono so I'm say ono ye 24 secretary obo Juma papa. He's a very powerful young man. Ote Juma nasi. Ote Palace View Juma nasi papa santima Juma no what ase. Iman yedi my producer. Mami ni full name na Iman de. The DB
Sompa 3.1
protocol work near the one side in the Kabuma na baby ewu. Omo abojuma pa just say Sami do Boakye kudos Sami kudos. Professor Ade Mensa any committee members amaka nyina no. I'll get the full committee members names now there to just say okay more DB society answer. And that is just by the way. Now you more modern say you better not the Akye Abia no. You went to Kwada. Professor Demen Sambe Wufiha. Now or the Afanema Nyame adom mo famu ani adwuma ma ya o ma bedrum pempensuo na baby o ma ye hall of glory bi
Sompa 3.1
as you see tiana untia no ofo din abobo ho nye din ketwa e ya febo e timeless we are seeing nyina be kwa akohu. It is never too late for you to also contribute because this is phase 1 and you know they will go through phase 2 not bibia akoso MC now what to say bibia boko upon wife atade no so ebo the day is a weekend udi weekend udi the Monday atade nko
true
na nko yesa na background when ya you know what tambia say MC weekend udi
o ma hu no ma me judi pa do kan nyina hu
ba eri gobo
we dey no ma ya kan je na che say me ba wuram nipa wo dwudwi me sabawe
Sompa FM
sabo so mu papa sabato sabawe me cha na no pay wo bo me no abo me nyina che say me say Tuesday was hard be so o ma nyankopɔ enhia wo pa ena no pay ye de enchia kese ebe free Dr. Ba aseye na ye de ama yahwefo ene yetiefo enyina me se hyane nso se da bia ye betena ase a eya na wo se ye ma hunu de ye na wutie ne ye na ade wani kire ho da bia me betena ase na me beka Dr. Ba ho asem empanimfo se ibo mo chichie ofiri nsu ase eba beka se danchem wo wu a ye nyina chini wugina chini ye nye ye kire se nsu na ase no wu ni hobi me beka cho se Dr. Ba se dompene kase no wo ye ya enyi machini ise ye bi ye nyina na ye wo ho ane ye yente baabi se obi na aka agu yasum ane ye ba beka na ya daabi eye de ani ahu ane ye beka ho asem akire wo enti obi obeba Dr. Ba obi a me MC asebu
3.1 FM mujina mo na so
na no pen hyene nso na nya abotre na tie nie ene ye kan kasa ho asem ko a maame ba ko ba ma ne ho to na asem wo ka kire se wo sre doctor se onkoso anu nka kotodwe no mankrofo nte na nkrofo obre na obeduru ha no otie ne yie no ne de ekọ enti na no page ko Dr. Ba number no to ko do mitri je Dr. Ba number no yemfa to so number no eh 0244
0244
988 004
0244
988 004 and it was
0244 08
34 82
0244 08 34 82
we a number Dr. Ba ye didi juma ewe aso ye ho wadawo ma se wo Dr. Ba ye wo kuma se atonsu agogo Abai hospital na wa atonsu agogo na chi ana Dr. Ba ewo ana nkran so ye was painters 18 junction ehon so ubehu Dr. Ba ho tie national so say ye kan nipadua wo dompe ene o kasa ehon asem kan edene ema nipa bebere na so emmere ema Dr. Ba esanse yade bia beba wo dompe ana o kasa mu no se obo moden na wunya adaje na wugide e kanidi na sa wo de ba ebepie Dr. Ba so eho a ni ama yade bia adokuru dompe ne kase no ni ama na kofom etu we yade awodo kokram cancer ye toto dompe ne kasa enwi sasabro rheumatism agege nkrofo dompe kasa aboso arthritis etiti nkrofo kotodwe ni nyina no o de ba doctor ba yen yaso eye ho a wo behu se yade ahaban konkunu anyankopɔ de adom doctor ba no ne yade asaw yade enen yaso na tie ne se wo po yade na se yade no wono maduro na nkɔ a eye adwene hunu se aduro na wonom no nya yade na aduro fisa yade bia wanya na aduro a yade ne nkɔ eno na ama nipa bebere chinchini babi bebere amene omdo om yade akohyehyɛ nkrofo bebere ama om yade na ku om afira asase so abranko tie ne ye eba baabi a yade adukan ade ahaban sa yade na anka na me ni wudi nkuma nka odate asefo asase so a wodi ne dwuma enti ye ka kotodwe ne ye ka kasa ho asɛm a da bi ye ka che osetie ne ye na hunu sɛ me maame me papa utifi enne yade pa do so mrante ne maba ho no eye ni kotodwe eno obenwu abrante akura wo be 30 oba no oso ni kotodwe osimi kotodwe ne mu yam ya pa mi nya nkwanhia bia mi kotodwe ne mo bibia mu enso yam ya mesraw enatie ne ye hye ne nso se wote wona kotodwe hye asese ye oya gitum se eye yade na aba enye obi na eye wo enye obi na ato wadu mesraw eyi no firi wutirim na hye ase na pa ho aduro se kotodwe no hye ase se ebe ye wo yan kakrakra na wo hye ase se wo kopepe nkira bi anasa wo de ointment bi start a ebedwo nanso yade ne wo mu no a edi unya na de gina mu enti sa wo fa kotodwa yade eta di ni nya pa no eya arthritis na sa arthritis ne da bia ye bo ho asem ka che se ewura kotodwa ni mu a ekoka cartridge no gregrew no a hye dompe ne kasa no ni mienu anim a ema ni mienu ntwi no eno na sa ekoha no enti abra be hye ase ye o yan kakrakra no so wantu ho ana mo a na fe ama kotodwe na hye ase na enhono enti na obe obi kotodwe ye ne ya na enhono onhu ade koro mesra yade abam eno ehye ase no anhwe ne ye na se wudididi agoro na tatra obe hu sekire na fe age wakadam afe de beto aso no se ebema kotodwe na ye dede fisa satam no yade na makotodwe na sei ama gregre no ni nyina asei ama afe de dompe ne nko na ye adwuma enti ama dompe mienu ni twinti ubenante no na okotodwe na ezu kakra enti na me ne me maami bi me papa bi di nkomo yi bo so de ne nani so so onante a na ye ne ya na afi ewo so gegegegege eche se watena se ama na ekọ nanim na tie na wie ye ni nyina ne se ene obi behwe ne nan no ye ne ya no obehu se ni kotodwe no ama ne nan na dege ne nan na gye ne ho kọ akire enti na obehu obi a ne kotodwe ye ne ya paa no a ache no na afi ama ne nan na chia enti se nan no se ba ko a anyi ahono ana bolega na ba ko na bedane ananta aba abeka bom sa enete ewo nipa dasani enti maame ba ko bi ba ye ho ema ye se ye hwe no na mra okoginchini baabi no a wode na ni kire doctor ba obi o na ka che ne se ukotodwe ye titi we die baabi ade wani be kire ba ye eye doctor ba na oba ye de ne tena ase no aye man ni no bibia kyekere ye no wonim se adwura na hye ni tirimu nyina ne se ogidi se obi na ato na du ama ne kotodwe no achia ne ye cheche no ma ne tia se arthritis no ebetimi ama okotodwe na achia emere be che wo mu no se eche wo mu a nsusuazo edi akire kura twato ne se ukotodwa na wo nan ebechia na chia ba ko no anhwe ne ya obehu se atransfer ba ko no ampa ye kachire maame na ye chechire ye no o se ampa me nan ba ko no so saa na eye me chia ba ne se maame enti nya obi na eye enti na me maame me papa wutie me se wutifie na ukotodwe mu hwe pa ase ato nkra ne ase de wo ase ne mpane bi na ewurawura ukotodwe ni mu a tu anamon na fu ani kire Dr. Ba ho mesra wo enna so na wo tratra ho cha ukotodwe betimi am waka dam ama abonte kura wuntimi mabiem fi so be Dr. Ba ya so eyo a wo beba obi wo apoma ekuta no sabi eche ekure enso nante ho aye de ama no yesa ne yade awie ni agepoma ne yade ato ho enti wo behwe ye ho a ye bie ba bi kire wa enkrofo poma ahodo de efe de wa de yedua ebi kura de woma titi woma mu firi nkurase no oba woma pa ne yatwa so ne kuta no set enam se ne kotodwe na ye ne ye nti enti na no pa ye di nkomo a ne ye ka cho se Dr. Ba se di enti obia de ne kotodwe wura Dr. Ba ho a na yade wo mu e kontem ne se ye wa haban bi a yakeka bomu a ye makomako be 20 aba na bi ni bi nhia enti se aba ne se ye bam gu se ne boa no ejetimi tom enti sa wo ba ye de sa aba ne tu kotodwe no so ne ye kyekera ne mo aba ne bi adura de ye capsules no anom enti mra ya kyekera wo no maduro no na ni nyina ekosiesie wo cartridge no ekosiesie wo gregre no nyina aye ne foforo ama ohaw ne amane bi ama wo kotodwe ne chiaye ohaw ne amane bi ama wo kotodwe no na wuntimi mfa nante no na fe yaw bia firimu no anyafa ahudie enti obi obebo modin di ne kotodwe mu yade aba Dr. Ba ho no oni nche bi ubehu se ne kotodwe ne nyina adwono enti mesrew enna me no wudi nkomoi ye wa aduane bi okra wudi sensia ya wo kotodwe mu yade no ebesa aba no ni nyina aba Dr. Ba so ye cheche ni nyina se de be ya ubefiri mu afia yade wo kotodwe mu no ebi nye obiem enti na no pede me no wudi nkomo ne se wachina bre wanante abre wodo ma me na china afedia ni daso asa ese se ye hanko ne wo nipadua wo kotodwe mu a ba bi ba kopɛ a yetu ehu asi wo awieye mrem si ye sasa ayade no ama nipa dasani ama ne ho ato no eye Dr. Ba aso eye afi ye carditis na eye wa aposo enti na obi wa na aposo ye ne ya de bi osole a osimedwe enti nyina ye me ye emu tutu me ye me ho hwenye yi maame enkosi da ba ne ye bobo dawuro aka che wo se de ye wo ni nyina de wo ho aduro no ene Dr. Ba enti anopai foni che kumase atonso ago na fe arthritis na age udompa aboso sasabro rheumatism na age unkasa aboso ame na wuntimi nante no wo de ba Dr. Ba yen yaso eye ho a ubetimi ama ho ato ame na wuntimi na unipadua mu ye oye atwetwe ni nyina no Dr. Ba betu asiama hwe ene obi sisi ache hwe se Dr. Ba te se obi sisi ache ana ye pa sisi ade no obi tiam se ni sisi ye ne ya na fe afa na na ba mu abu ama nipa kro che se wo ba Dr. Ba wa obi ani sisi ye ne ye bia ye wo kwan a ye foso ye masisie emudwo wo fisa ayaresa de se hu se de sisa na o yade kontem wo ba bia wo kɔ no enu nti Dr. Ba esuon wade hu aban enti obi ani sisi ye ne ye bia no ye ma wo ba ye massage bo ne ye de wato ho na fe ye de ahaba konkron na tata wo sisi nachi ni ama 30 minutes pe si ye de sa no ma na wo da ho na wo sole a me se ma me kese bi ba ye ho oba ye yi na Afrika mu no na chese ye yi nanyi ni sisi ye ne ya enso mra wodi 30 minutes e de aba ne tata ho no ofa ne bag kura kono wankra oso mu se ya na ode sede e na ekoforo ka enti obi owo sisi yade bia a wo bre bia wo kroma bia no mesre wo se bra na aba ne yemfa bi mawo na fe yade bia ye sisi yade a men na wo sole kura na wo tena se na wo sole a na adane asem ni nyina na afiri wa akwa mu ama won so ho ato na da bia obi di ache ade meka che won se obi ani sisi ache bia no eye spinal cord no mienu bi wa ase wa ekɔ ho no se ho ka wo be balance wo bechim so wonso obi ni mu akɔ no ntimi ntini ni mu a ni nyina ene spinal cord wonso obi ne fa ache a eyi wachi kase no achi kase betimi am wo bubu aguo achi kase betimi am wache a enti na ye no wo kase isa o haw awu achi kase mu a fabra Dr. Ba aso eye wo anopa je me ka che won se eye nkase mu no ma ne ye ka enti obi o haw ewo ni dompe ene ne kase mu on famra Dr. Ba aso eye je number no na fefu ani kire Dr. Ba na ye ho o ma ye number no eye 0244 988 004
988 004
and it was 0244 08
34
82 Wadaroma Dr. Ba Okumase atonso ago ana nkranso ye was Painters Road 18 junction anopa bag na wo fa akọ ba bia wo pese okosa ho yade ne eye ba bi ba akọpẹ eno ane ba
Nyamisha also ba na oti omon kano bushafo obi ewa asase wo agrek nwamase a woton na eben Hope Exchange Hospital on say obetima fa ye Santase opokuare suku na chi hono mo anase wo kofosin Hubert hono na wakudu Hope Exchange obetuma tuma firi nwamase ne wa wura hono mo enye yira kwan kra ekwan so nwa from the main street to be a plot no dano eben Hope Exchange 2 plots of land na opese ota 100 by 120 plot back bia 100 by 120 normal no ye 0249 917 998 0249 917 998 the Great Kumasi Festival of Miracles china ena dwumadie isase Archbishop Charles Ajinasare one ne ba evangelist Francis Ajenasare Ewurade e de anwamade ayarese tumi adom papa mfie bebre no aye crusade across the globe na we Kumasi yemse atedende Ewurade tumi ni na basa eba e wo kokwase AstroTurf ene Adventist Senior High School ni di nhwanimu Abripo Johnson ena dwumade eba so enti enwumre no nsia ekina de o enonsia no na akodo a wonya ba bi ntra kan ho pa ne o ti wheelchair so be sorry de wo yemum de ontumi nkasa be kasa de na so asibeti asem Awurade abasa ene na mani ye be dedi na be hu Awurade tumi a eya yaresa tumi o sorry tumi ahoden no ebe ye twuma kese e wo kokwase AstroTurf park no so enti obi ansiesie ne hwan na ekina Perez fo nyina da ye de ani ekire ho Ajenasare world evangelism ena ekina oba Kumasi one evangelist Francis Ajenasare ena ebedi dwuman na me kanfo e de amount afei St Andrew Senior High School private SHS ye je mofra ya shem eje mofra senior school no 123 SHS 123 boarding hostel facilities nyina ho excellent wasi result over the years ye wasin fosu Rich FM premise no mu a bankesim new edubiase ashama dunkwa onofin seshi asanwene so enankran obehu yen general arts, general science, business, home economics, visual arts and agric science. Your number is 0244-696911 0244-696911. So sorry I'm not pay now person ye water therapy ensure be boa pa Kenyan Energic drinking water 8.5 pH alkaline water na hydrogen rich minerals which is calcium, magnesium, potassium and iron eshemuma ensure wonoma ema ayam tim free ho ensure wonoma ema obo enhye wo acid reflux ne heartburns body diwia ne bo be chichichichi sa there be acid free rich in antioxidant wonoma awodunso na yifi say wo liver wo kidney na body temperature no protect your organs ni yes I wonom nsuo ya make come for Kenyan and Magic drinking water amount Brema UGC Tafuni Road Abawa route nsuo we Japan for ono anoma no anti Japan ni sini yesi wo no so awadi nante yesi young man be we area ha na yesi wadi nante yes mo dey watra 0241 449191 bia nom Kenyan and also nom Kenyan na emwa Tabita Clinic. Tabita for Fia no more on Sompa de Mao. Many are now to say. Bibi Aboko. With our body, I see. I don't pay. Kajaso my the the pie free Tabita.
And I see baby. I don't pay the HIA for near your phone, you know, free Sompa TV. And I say Sompa FM. Yeah, but now nano pay a Tabita Clinic. I say and nano pay any more Eddie and Shiamu. You can't Tabita, they are not just a dimba kwa, and I say, I sa. Eba nkrofo adwemu prostate na say diabetes na say infections ahodo nyina na yedi hu adwuma bigidi se Ghana ha obi ate nka ye adwuma prostate hu adwuma nwanwaso a etimi eboa amanfo omo into prostate problems omo into diabetes ni infections ahodo nyina na nano pay infections mu or how ba kwa ye ba be ka ho asem PID a your friend pelvic inflammatory diseases.
Okay.
The cover by and say infections by a bacterial infections are a so can a mass swap. The treatment I was a share near treaty money free on yentimi and treating ye emano enko. A cobasa na a developer I was sebe a mano I say an asset or more through their vagina. Now fe a spread alcohol more urethros and say or more fallopian tube akọ omo ovaries mu ekobasa na de ohaw bebre ena ebre omo nsanso ya na efri sa ohaw mu ene se ombete se ya na omo abdomen na so omo pelvic omunya serious and as severe pains pa it is all your bana utie mi na no pay na okosa ohaw mu no wanya infections and treatment no antimi anhwa treating ye ama na anko na de sa ohaw yi anasa amane ebrewa na no pay to Mrika na for ani chere Tabita Clinic. Tabita wo hwe ekira kwan a ye Daban Cindy Junction. Daban Cindy Junction na obehu Tabita Clinic. Your numbers ye di dwuma enso ye 0260
260
19 62 19 0260 19 62
19.
na nhwehwemu so ame ehu se PIDC ya na infection said ba 90% of it no the friend no chlamydia ana se gonorrhea na ya na mostly ya na edeba nti so ya oba na otie na wanya chlamydia na se wo gonorrhea problems na wahwe etriti amanako ante sa se kwa akire na edidi kwa akire a ebetimi de ohaw abro na ohaw edi bi bebrɛ ne se ebetimi a infect ana se be haw reproductive organs no ekoba sanso ana awo so ho ebeye den amawo ana se ebia ontimi emfa yafro enyinsen because ebesi wawode no ano ekwan ebiemu so obi wo ho nso ana onya or have sex ana so ne partner asia or take very serious pains pa omo aya na omo ta experience some of these things no also to anamo na do any check clinic bi eben na okosa ho yare ana se obi wo no odwonso a ote se ote burning sensation bi efiri na se eba ebi wo nso ana ya na onya abnormal discharge efiri na se sa discharge ya ye kan eyensu a mostly ya na eba in yellowish ana se in green form it is unya sa oha ibi ana se unya sansu ebi a na watutu anamo ye na do ani a kire Tabita Clinic aso ama yetimi ahwew ebiemu nso se de ya na ye kan no yare no dodo na ye mostly of STIs ana se edeba ntis wanya STI no wan hwe entry na ekodidi mu kwa akire na ebe haw na ebesi wa wo ho kwan a wo so hu se de ohaw ne amane na ebebrɛw se no enyina achi no na afi we nyina bi eni wo so na ebi a wo de e wo so diabetes wo de e wo so prostate wo de e wo so ulcer de a for ani ekire Tabita Clinic na yendi hu dwuma ema oba clinic wa ye doctors animdifo your nurses a mani mute ansa na bebro ye hokra no how bi wo ha wo de ba ya because of treatment e de be ma ne awahwa e be wa hwa ansa ne ahwe yare no krampo no e be ma o haw no so ate ama ebiemu so your services are render labs ahodo nyina wakoba bi a ya request se wo so okoye nyina no wetimi de abedan Tabita na yetimi ahwe so e de ama said the American say infections muno one who the kind of infections are air house said the American be a bacteria be a fungi no one who the kind of infections are abeto so e dey oha ne amane airbrel no one timi who ni treatment abetimi treat here said them the two dwa no sa PIDC betimi de akofa ade abrel tina na no pe me say odu ani be kire Tabita Clinic Tabita ya so ye wo Daban Cindy Junction ofro ka kache mate ni say wo ko Daban Cindy Junction obi si Cindy so o si Cindy so no obi hu ye signboard kese pa se ewo ho na afi so wa frɛ numbers e de to dwa no your numbers ni 0260 19 62 19 0260 19 62 19 ene biemu nso ye scan services nso o say the na me kan pelvic scan with me aba betwa won ya so ye ho say abdominal scan with me aba betwa say prostate scan so with me aba betwa no hu hawa okomu ebiemu so ye massage e wo honom ye home services nyina obi wo ho na ebia enam yare bi nti ana hawa bi nti ontimi sorry ma ya so ye ho a numbers e dey atudwai ofre numbers yi mu nyina ye beba ho ne ye ne aya arrangement amamra no nyina no yetimi aba na ase aba abehwew ama hawa bi e da so bia no so no yenso yetimi aboa na ya peso ade enuro ama ya hwe se obetimi anom enuro no bi wo ho nso a ya na yare no bi wo nso anye ni nyina nso na ya na require enuro ebia na ye aduane mu oha nti ye besesan wo dietary plan se na be ya eno so obetimi aboa na watimi akon oyare ama bibibia nso ayeboko nti ye da mu nyina ase se motie na anopai na ye behwe banim so se mbeba se de atudwa no ye sha adwuma ase Monday de kosi Friday anopa nonso ne apon anwumre no nan nti ye hwese ye beto nsafre obibia o haw mu yare na yetimi aboa no sa kwan no so na anopai.
Thank you very much, my brother. Enjoy your day. Okay. ɛna no pay me kamfo asye bia kyese abepiem okumasi hanom a Dr. Victor Nanadankwa papa ya jidin Ghana ha bia eba liver and kidney specialist hospital na o maame o papa wa omu wa hu se wakrawa ne obrebo no niam bi nkoye. Your kidney is not functioning the way it should. O liver na akoba se ejawo ohaw onipa na se ni o liver enkoye di asemo yaba o kidney aye sonye eno ena esone fi nyina so na abefa o blood amu na abedwunso agu na sa ye agyanan abesene eti kidney ni function a na je se niam fi ni nyina sa eko reverse osmosis ese kobo wura wuni paduam omoja no na esa akọ ojunso no na esa akọ nsuo wo ho ejobu abohu ana nina ase atatai na nanim ahohoro nyina no eniam e wo se nka kidney ni ya ni liver no na ebo ho ban ye wo ho liver yi ebo juma ma poisonous substances so ni ade ekue ni paduam ne protect no eno ntino se kobasa na asema ba na baby a ojunso twa no so infections bi na ama wanya inflammation wo ho bladder inflammation afa UTIs ahodro na eno so ekoja infection eno a na di kidney problems nyina ba o prostate huno na akoba say gallbladder stones kidney stones a friend in nephrolithiasis sanso na cholelithiasis ye gallbladder stone and nemebo boniema wa ha cholestasis gallbladder inflammation and ye wo high cholesterol your friend hyperlipidemia na ye say wo cholesterol level drew so na cholesterol na hu say ewura wuntin mu adako betime twahwe awu eno nti na Vigdank healthcare me come for the amawo yawo awojo daban sokoban je kufo school junction hwa de Kennedy can come see him no sasa mohine 24 sasa mohine Sompa hine sasa mohine Kennedy therefore akwabo I can say Antino Big Dan Healthcare J Kufo School no senior high school no former member of parliament for so former MC on the see why are there on you see adan o share municipal war asokore mampompa residents bi a wasi access bi ama workers na je say kankam obono homode pa sasa mo hine Sompa hine obono homode o hine o anti ya na me address no anti ye hwe na bibi baso ba za hemfu bienu na ndem ne omu hia ofia some ya kwa so me yo hin kase anti no wende me kwa so me yo man hine everything about chow big dank there. So one ko no na ma prostate and now say we liver now kidney who touch man could do stage bi a hu hwe je ye be hadwen me pa chow Freya no pay ya 0247 665436 0247 665436 and a 0502 230999 0502 230999 Ode ko Google Dr. Victor Nanadankwa ehu asem na yebeka okan ya obi say liver and kidney specialist. Oh, ono na oboni di no. Hey, on the okwa tatashe. Enti Big Dan Healthcare. Ho ena kokko show ho. Wako chini amfa fa ko ho no mo ebefa. Alo boka ni kanka me mo ache mo akwaba. Na umpom to say. Abusia ni nyina ho ye. Hey, ziare oduro. Eza ufi asase ba e chaiti. Ede alhamdulillah na di siame. Ni nyina ye. Oso ni nyina ye. Na yemhwe mrase bedwafie. Me no di nkomo we a na me ba onchen because what na mrase bedwafie. O enim de ekoso mrase bedwafie standing committee orders committees ahodo ne ade. the SC or Parliament vetting committee, appointment committee, and in Tokwano one did Akovia say, Speaker, I suspended a 9. Tampuli, you're suspending or you're suspending Dafia Makpo, you're suspending Jerry Ahmed, you're suspending another prayer. Honorable Chairman say Yura Babin Ajobre Onisa to me. Privileges committee so yente. Omugusu omo is setting up committees. And untino Papa Rebi Mufi say he took it upon himself. Why something ultra virus, null and void, and na near Koso ono so. Who do you apportion blame? Ye na blame your home. No crabbing ND minority, almost and perceive from micro. Supreme majority for no so omo for both who research be basse ye chairman or bon homo de business and koye yes ya afenyo mark and crowd and koye. All these come up to say I was say ye aswafo no omo called da ano meaning say then I will be an opportunity I share one bini ade. Should we come to this point where you fly microphones ye bubu gonya mami chira no pay
your man you can make sure to phone much ya only do my for and chakasi ya no pa akwa ma ya santi me 4 so to abibi obviously na intini ni ati baby ya so no pa timi koba bibia
no correct
come on I think say what is happening in Ghana Parliament and shada nya de bia FBI so ni bia and shada nya ni biza because it seems some people are showing unnecessary forces just to be seen and recognized or to be popular. They are just staged. It's the main magazine, it was too staged. The good thing that happened, it was too staged. So-called parliament. The table now no more people. The table you crowd. Some table is here. Look at this table. I cry one more studio. It's just so far. Once a parliament one, that table no. It's about 4 or 5 times this. Now, to the point that people decided to push it here and there. Microphones that has been procured with a very expensive price. Very strong.
That's why we watch it. It's embarrassing.
Yeah. Look at what is happening now. Now, Omanhene, I doubt to say you need privileges committee. I doubt. Because in Parliament, so far as you have a vetting committee, so far as we have a finance committee, so far as we have some committees, committees, it is a bit strange to me.
Privileges committee yet.
Although the privileges committee, even after it has been set up, it becomes the speakers committee. You know, there are some committees for the speaker. Yeah, the both speakers. And then it is the speakers committee. So what I mention, and I know very well. So you call parliament. When committees were coming out, what I mention, and the sheet they buy, and the sheet they buy, and they buy parliament and they approve it and they call. As I'm talking to you now, it is almost barely a month now, and a parliament, a year, inaugurated parliament. Omako a lot of meetings. Even prior to the sense, Omako approve some ministers now starting here ejuma. What I say? Omugusu omo. I know budget is being prepared. Budget is being prepared. Inputs of the budget is being taken, and other things are going on. So I won't say, na finance minister no flashy back. Don't see BBC back. No flashy. We say, na omo bana education minister is also working. Also then your mind is and it will be strange to me. Say, as at now, almost a month now, all the committees in Parliament are not set. Because without that committees, parliamentary the parliamentary work, and you be needed the over house the floor of Parliament and the chamber of Parliament. All the agenda and Yajumabia, Obioboko, Obibetima Cotana, Yakotanawa, Nipa Casabro, so a day cry, no moon 50. 50 grand is a Nipa Casabapa. Umubili 20, what's the 2030? And I'm being a quiet casa because time I remember as a casa, I say 5 minutes to times 30, and yes, more. As then the speaker, I don't know, or bet you put in, or best correcting your interjection,
arguments,
argument, and so forth. And the Nipa 30 crano cannot speak on a day,
At a
busy day, at a day, no, Untimina, Nipa 30 speaking at the same time. But at the committee level, no, a one a cocoa ship will be Bia, and the Yomanina. And no dear, one thing I make us say it will be strange to me to say as at now you need a privilege committee. But what honorable chairman Sabonsu is saying, he's 100% right. He's 100% right. He's more than 100%. It's not because he's a member of the New Patriotic Party and as a MP for and as a Kumasi MP some time ago. Maybe he was my colleague in Parliament because I was in Parliament with him at the same year. So on the mention. And yes, I anti Mekasa. The fact of the matter is the Parliament of Ghana has a standing orders. There were standing orders idea.
Emre bomb
constitution there was standing orders in Parliament. And no nature the MPBS or dress him. So we without Parliament, they catch us half naked. And you say we be
unparliamentary.
Yes, of course.
We have the situation
Parliament.
We into me fancy
because it's a shirt, and that's it. Although it has a design, but so far as it's an executive shirt, you should put on tie. All the tie bonds as well. Won't you for tie any shirt and going around Parliament? There should be
a jacket to be or vest to be or something.
That's what the BB shirt. I don't know what the Parliament out. I don't know. I stand there than a boy hombre. Say parliamentarian be the bonia. Your committee you refer to. That is a privileges committee. Privileges committee, it is made up of both NDC, MPP members are Omotinasi. And once our privilege committees, so be Cassia Parliament, you from our privileges committee. So we be yet the whole seven echo bomb rush be gun. What I say, number ship you are not deliberating on it. The Cobas a boa. The first and I said, you are bearing the apology. Why are you now your hot and that is where the speaker can prescribe a sanction for you. On a median. But see, I'm not say what happened at Parliament, who investigation, my uncle say. What I say. Speaker informal committee, even if there is no a
committee still can be set up.
There is no privileges committees, no crying. You can set up an ad hoc committee, which is allowed by the standing orders of the Parliament. If the government has set up an ad hoc committee, I'm an ad hoc committee, I set it on it briefly. If we can give them just 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes for them to sit. What was the no, why kangaroo court to be? What I mean, kangaroo court not national. A certain
terms and reference,
and a short time. Nobody about the buy and I papa. A banner you have followed the parliamentary procedure.
Due process.
And now there's a judgment. But what's not them now is what is a managing director, why church or letter now Babontia. It is wrong. Ghana Parliament, it is not a limited liability company. Another year a sole proprietorship. One person can sit down and says a
preserve of somebody.
It is the representation of the good people of Ghana. And before you take any action, you have to follow due process. So that's what the honorable chairman said. Is totally out of order.
Can the members of Parliament defy what
it depends on the person's guts. Who are a coward? It's a meme of Parliament now. That day, come up with Parliament. Because if you don't respect the lay down procedure, or you don't respect the parliamentary process, and also if you don't respect the standing order, I won't respect the standing order. Now me oba no busa na me busa o say dey na o ka won so dey na o ka dey nti na won so yesi. Because you cannot flout the standing orders of the party. You cannot.
It is a sign pound or banner say what's the name of the person, the security
marshal.
The marshal stops him.
Oh, stop put. I said na scene already.
There's a chaos now moving.
There's a scene. I said then the scene that you are preventing, you are creating another scene. Oh, until I map the Parliament, it is so structured in such a way. Say, we no be a contocabra. What I mention. with me Eddie Dubia Tamabra, on any crime, using the right procedure or cancel Munuchirewa, you also call in for a point of order. Now, what cancel Munachire? What a major, a cast 77 Passabasachewa. Now, so stand on a point of order. Now, what can some Passabasachewa? Indeed, the person can be waiting a car, nobody will waiting my without getting physical. What a major, Abraqa won't me, each other. So, but we are watching say, you want to subvert the lay down procedure, subvert the standing order, subvert the constitution of the country. My friend, we are not living in the military regime.
What do you make of questions? Ebi mo say irrelevant questions. Ebi mo say, especially Afenyo is being too high on his heels. 4 hours, 3 hours questions. Obisani ade. The one say you invited members of parliament, maybe from the minority and majority. Now you say, Obo so many yakro atakwaba. Now what to say? Once you are on any subject matter, meaning say or no eba busa something that is specific to the ministry. I am free minister, no. Then the others will also come in. The NDC majority and the NDC members and the supporters. Afenyo is becoming too unbecoming. 4 hours no interview be near officer moi. The general impression of questions on Busano, who say?
No, my name. Casa baby, Casa Tintin, and the Casa Who. And for so Nizuma, what I say? Because of hearing in Anna, I'm kind of Casa baby, Casa Who, and the Casa Tintin, and was will be a Nizuma. The mum Casa a wa Yansan, dear, a home of us all. They make out yes. But I won't say, from the perspective that all of us are taking the thing, those casano are relevant and I say irrelevant. Because one say, Obi Tonyo Mao, and also be Bonyo Money Demo. So one mention. It depends on you. Would you not? And you meet in your proof, and I team you do, depending on your mood. So,
okay.
Yeah,
that's possible.
Me, I may bomb in your money, a power and share a gramophone, I may bomb. I'm enjoying my music. To me, I'm happy, and I selected the music that I want to listen to, and the content of the music that I want. Because Obiba bon yomoa, and yes, be out radio so ebi awo kwa na nyum be pure radio so na it is unexpected. And no, now okotia and the obakato. But say me de my power. And now my family, me see this room, and now say my family, your friend is a pen drive. Now my slot, now my select, now me bombing your mono. What I say to you now, oh born in the do. But the now bonte, depending on the person's mood and situation.
At that moment,
and you know bit me in a day,
and I bit
me in a poof. He can see the music you are enjoying as noise. As we now cry no bit you walk out. So let me tell you. And the one obi o tie bia the perspective.
Okay.
What let me tell you.
Okay.
The family of maybe Afenyo Markins may be proud of their son. And I make sure for displaying talent and knowledge to them.
And his party.
There be just in a party, you're in a party for the person. So I just say, oh my myself no. I know straight to and people feel uncomfortable with that.
Absolutely.
What I say, the people in the family in the bush, I'm telling you,
Omanhene Yaw, budget so the name for budget so.
That's of course because they see their son as a hero. But in the party, those who are with him or those who gel with him will see him, they will cheer him on. But those who are not those who are at variance with him, no fees away too much. Too much. Most who this warrior, the way they deal with people, is different. Both NDC and PP, they are not too consistent with their style of dealing with people. They're evil.
That nominees.
Oh, obi timi ba na o mabonabaso. No ma kroko, no ma pija no hu, no ma manafans, no asoroko. Both sides. Obi timi ba no ma grill na no ma manabes.
Some are seeing political grilling. Especially almost so more opposition no more kasapa.
Say you do me, I do you. And then that one, politics
man no go best.
O man you be grand kenye. If you do me and I don't, politics, I can tell you so. Because so any politics or so as I knew Munina and Yanko Pondia. How crazy is who or how no, can you be a quadranity. We don't have a time, you politics or heaven. The politics in the Obia was as we were. I can't be no any beers and alcohol. You will be our bonnet of politics and be many beers and about.
Hey,
And then the politics and young Yameson.
Obia manual semu what
be obi.
Ubebi.
No may obi name be a Brennan and Brennan Pamun Mayo.
Obey be say.
So we didn't bonnet of politics, man. A quam just may be as an American as was.
But I send you who someday.
There be the same case where you so be uncle.
To be good,
I thought we got you.
That's what I say.
But in politics,
a manual some dear.
there be how do you find?
Yeah, sorry, call.
So heaven. I'm a seven to also heaven. And no dear, oh, yeah, may you be. And I did be a myself so be a rebeba. Obia or the tenor. I may also be on some maybe go pre MP. Now we must sorry, Tiamia. Now a constituency officer, I will do that to constituency.
I'm a constituency.
So a police station officer.
Now to Tiamia.
Now also so yeah me bonia.
Also so time of
also time. Oh yeah, president now about Tiamia. A bit do primaries, presidential primaries. In Jamaica, some the Opia one number. It is all yeah, my very careful. That is why some of us are very, very, very careful when dealing with the political issues. Me, I was a politician, me shada handy paper brave. Me ba me come as a man sorry call, but cross me now. I be so be hamidia. So I have Abuana has on anymore. And I'm a if you be over ham, I'm how. And the oya me a mayor and a mayor kakrakapa. So until me fee say we should find a way. I or more motive a year the vetting committee no so more year or money no or moon peco on my first one sadian na omunya say omo mutima yo mu de bebre they just want to show say yeah that masa on say when it betimi agisa na say we betimi ho bo say na de we nya na wase no so utimi ye susu no ye dancing competition obi timi sasa ne bojo ni ye isa so ko be dwane ya no wajaya asa no akodo bo so be sasa na fe dia asa ni nyina ya asa hu na papa na wo sai ri nyina na ya asa hu and na bro when can say you leave the stage when that applause is loud.
Yeah, when that applause is
on the mention ha one we dia be kasa video be kasa na video kasa ni nyina kasa hu I think they need to be measured both parties ni nyina whether majority or minority ni nyina they need to be measured. So these are questions, not questions. So it's giving you a positive answer that will bring bring something good for the people.
Don't push
of
it.
Ghana. Yeah. And what I mentioned, now yeah, but was a question you want to probe question now something good is coming out. What I mentioned, now do also what the line of question. No, everyone answer no.
You are getting exposed. You the questionnaire.
Of course.
Do maybe announce a crowd ya go hufi.
Until yeah, now be fee say you share how you see according.
You were with Sam George.
Yes.
Now Parliament.
Yeah.
After the vetting, a big bonus, so he showed arrogance. What would you say?
Fortunately, who's that? I think we had what's the Sam George in 22nd January born. You have the same age, being Sam George, Honorable Juwais, and a free.
We are the same day.
We are the same day, 22nd January.
Oh, okay.
And I na as it is no Sam George na nkasa ni nyina so no say why we no ba who no say the nyina so quite say obi arrogant so obi wa ni nyina so no
yeah by nature
as why kunkun tan obi wa hu ni so ye ni nyina so quite
ba o call sa na hu no
o say
one the tramra se be
Sam George who say on your part of meme caucus.
Okay.
What I say, oh no, NDC caucus, MPP caucus. You be share briefly. When we're members of the public accounts.
But also, bit me who be from afar. Now, you say, because we get what to say. But I'll ban one.
Oh, so I say on the public accounts committee with him. But said the ABA man for canon. Well, Obia would said you see. One mention Obia was said you see Hunipa Edefa. Maybe as I said, Obia was said you see. And Obia was also so the style of life on the new demeanor. One
you might not like him, but
you don't see people and you just draw conclusion on them.
Okay.
Because maybe I know better now public accounts committee out to table, so I couldn't answer not people go and have some paper name in your money. I don't have to come and do things or say something. but mammy no nya e be across.
Okay.
I want to be journey. Yeah, a man for
A perception.
Anna e be an style on the panel no the way obisi
Okasa yi semano.
on the nipa okasa. Some me say at a point in time when I was being harsh in politics in my youthful age, people were perceiving me to be an arrogant person because I was not mixing words. Then come here, paginis, I'm a catcher, pam, 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 pam. Then they feel very uncomfortable. But when people work with me, no more, they become come across as I know, they moment or you're straightforward. And I'm happy. It do say, correct me. I was able to correct myself. I don't think the people can tag me with that. And also, as a major MPP is diving down. We started the distraction thing again, and I'm going to talk about it at the appropriate time. Because I have mistaken here, no, we are doing it again. We started it. I've told them, catch them what they want to the same formula, strategy. What is the meaning of this rubbish? From where? Who allowed that to happen in this party now? I'm going to see all. First, we were quiet and watching, but this time we're not going to do that again.
I'll come back to you and we'll look a little on the NPP seminar. Ataboku.
Omanhene.
I share betting. Afenyo Makin trending all over, Sam George, Okujeto Blakwa, and almost all the nominees of Mako. And the parliamentary setting. And Tokwa SCI suspended Dafia Makpo, Tampuli, Jerry Ahmed, and then another pre. Ushema said the two majority and the minority, the whips. It's like moon. I wasn't Kamosha Munko for my home. We diane, and I'm also Namuko ye high-headedness on high heels. Somebody who are the Timako. Honorable Chairman says Babin cannot do that. He doesn't have that prerogative or right. The law does not even allow him. As a why Omanhene biti Parliament na odi asem. Maminti.
Omanhene maminti na mincha eti fa no kai mo bi akwa ba Sompa. Omanhene say a constitutional right and executive of Parliament. So man penyin betro the akoma Parliamentary Service Board and speaker say nipa so me senior benten na meyi won say omomra no momra meyi adwuma ema me e wo maben mu. Now say Parliament etna say eduso senpai eto won na ombisa on sense say nipa yi o se fata se ne dwumadi a okodi no ye be ma na kwa na enya de fofo ena nyemra edikan ya ebisi ni ne to so mienu ani a ye de hwe saa neoma we no esesa baby a wugina no ena kire se ne abesi ahwe neoma we na nkomodi akoso afa ho ne ntokwa ne penche ensi ho no obeka say for the optics and then say utifie na hwe say if the aspiration is to be a legislator may juma bobrana minidu baby amabe parliamentarian na ubetimi aka say neoma ni bia ye hwe no ebu nkrabem ebu omo and that so
Pepasa that
obeso yakọ no kwakwa parliamentarian no oman ebu on abem nemom ye hwe ne ntia say so say omo parliament as members of parliament but the political parties na dey omo ko omo ye part or an arm of government but arms of government ni nyina no we president and the vice are to abamom in the executive arm no na kan nyina appointed on the powers of the president any mandate a constitution no oko judiciary no so a appointment from the executive officer if you are in parliament they are elected directly
from by the people
directly nti yentia se kwan ya fa so aye mra kuni a ye de bogana ho bra no emma MPs kwan say omo enya allegiance to the party that
more than even there are people who elected them.
And it's a party name for one qua. Now, the psychology of a minority party always changes depending on the kind of results of Munyae. Omanhene is already 2009. It was so obvious. So, say Chairman Sabonsu would have to lead a party that genuinely felt say they were on the brink of
winning an election.
Nemum sa oko 2001 and 2005. Abang back been minority leader no year. He had to stand on business first and foremost. Yeah, what Bemu from 92. With the PNDC can hold the Abibre and they are free. Yeah, ko baby young Koda. NDC had never tasted opposition before. Until 2001 and 2005. Parliamentary Select Committee, Appointments Committee in the vet no year. Omanhene so we bibia na unya otan so ye NPP ni a. Unya otan o wakomam e ma Dr. Benjamin Kumbo. Because on it abambag bin ekabum. One, some be frustrated nominees. No. Two, they will go after their character.
Yeah.
Three, NDC or baby omu enkoda. Into member base no.
I strong.
Now
man for who say conform yate.
Me da CP mira. Eno.
Enti de ye hu ni nei no a mabunu no ehu bi da no. Eye omo wanwa. Then so Babin ni Kumbo 2001. Vetting committee they were even worse.
And then especially 2005 there. NDC NPP are tasty 4 years. You see, wow, nya kwan here Honorable Yaw Safma for vetting in 2001. They dovetailed and I said, omo de toto Honorable Kofi Kunedu Apreku.
Yeah.
Omo ne the parliament na NDC majority no. Na Honorable Kofi Kunedu Apreku. Minority
ranking member of finance. Yeah.
Eba nyina no bia nim say.
Ono na ekoye finance minister.
Ba man panyin ku 14 ase hu adwuma. Honorable Yaw Safma for state housing. No.
No, I banker, I accountant ni just
bia no. Kofi and in the network no different America buy no. Enko trade. Na memfa Osafma for. In the vetting, omo bisa Kofi Kunedu Apreku say Ade na odi ya kasa chen na for parliament say oman panyin ku for disappointing because no nim so be finance minister.
Sama ye kukuo mu nkomodi o.
You get it.
Na say okra no de oman panyin ma wani nso.
Exactly, Omanhene.
We'll have to either debunk or otherwise.
Now in 2005, almost from Ministry of Health, and yes, I invited Dr. Richard Ananida. I have vetted as Minister of Health. Obey Minister of Roads and Highways.
Yeah.
The vetting
Roads and Transport.
Roads and Transport. Vetting lasted almost 3 hours. 2 hours. Kumbo laid foundation asking near boys and the friend irrelevant questions. No be a huni na or patch. Me across Abreno. Your school na near when I'm boys. Why is this man doing all this? As some crow on care. In 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, he centered on the major question he wanted to ask Dr. Anani. Bisan said, "Our back outside now worry."
And so no what the nang wanya. And the same way and Guasia Casio.
None yet ho.
No busao.
The bush you are 40 ho.
And Benkumbo Busano.
Obisa the character purely to understand his character.
The same way said net Afeno Markin Kobusa. Obise. Only Obiawa. Ghanaians who says, hey, Nanu dear found, but Benkumbo simply asked as if said nothing was wrong.
We are not some movie on say, is he Wayne? Or bad free?
Needed Tinechi.
Or Tinechi.
Can you imagine?
Then Kumbo went ahead. Then that was the day I actually respected Kumbo the most. Say, is it in order? Say, Health Minister Echo Seminar and our conference.
Chahone Kofana any problems in our
US.
Say Oko conference, HIV conference.
Why don't you
one for condom uncle? Nina our point committee Obisano. Oko hands are there.
Now, Kumbo needed to find out if, in the eyes of the public, Dr. Anane is an honest man. Dr. Anane responded affirmatively that he is an honest man. And
that was it.
It was a character question.
Which to show whether you are honest, even in the presence of your wife, or deny otherwise.
Dr. Anane came out with flying colors that day. So, Obi nim or not Dr. Anane, and Obi nim nin chen that sorry. But today, we are asking why Argentina minority for no ebisa irrelevant questions. I didn't know I find your mark in areas. Look,
do you remember the question Obusana about airport hills?
Yeah.
Have you realized what has come out of it?
Exactly what the Onimia Oye. Don't remember Biantra baby and two foot wrong.
Afenyamak is a lawyer.
Onimia Oye, he's one of the best inquisitors I've seen.
Yes.
Oh, Obisa question is laying a foundation for you.
But one way I would tell Abontia now the Obisa first one say. It will be no be see the question is what.
Ujo Wenge. Obia also be who nipa away. Just as we saw with Dr. Adani. Inti Yadam must say, yeah, Shibia, because NPP are losing elections to a magnitude that Omun Lusu be that in Ghana.
So they need to build a base.
So he has started building the base already. Now, one of the trends I've seen with the minority this time around, and they say, Omoya Vetiniria, no Maba constituency, you be share polling station executives. Yeah, thank you to all. Yeah, Kwaku share and base. Then they cost Brana Bekachon. Deal directly. Over the weekend, I think Shai be share need the wage agbabio. Me 7 cents so yeah, thank you to Obi. Now, you must be with the base for the period.
This one me Kenya
then this will continue to thrive and they would fester. Said this is purely political communication and political marketing. More being 2 foot wrong will be any. You beside Chris Coleman about the passport. Any America or today and now. Because now information if we command graphics and then the people from a Fidata Square and now concrete. Yentia say and yet it's not about character, it's not about quality regarding the field alone.
Your character is crucial.
Nipa mienu are on my excelling as regional ministers in the Fourth Republic. The Canadian can come back here. Akubo Debra, Honorable Debra, no, Tano North, Tano South. Debra, a Greek minister.
Yeah.
Northern regional minister. Excellent. Omanhene Yaw.
Yeah.
Move from Greater Accra to North.
Now, 1 year of Eric Opoku
in Ashanti region.
Ashanti region. Everybody clap for
him.
1 year. Also,
exactly. Name beside him say, a dainty and Obia Behanyam Yanimu. A Juma NPP aye with major courage Kwashiga or more opposition. Now, if you see a health minister, everybody, Kwashiga is soldier, defense. But we needed discipline to enhance preventive health. Okay. Israel. One, let's respect the appointing authority. 2, let's allow our parliamentarians to do their job. And then there will be excesses 1 or 2 questions. Let's allow the system to run. Let's get the right people. Your best say and parliamentarians say too much of everything.
Yes, bad.
Say excesses not those one. They should cut it off.
The embarrassment on the world scene is becoming unbecoming.
Yeah, say equipment.
No.
Speaker Kotinasi Akasa, which brings us back into the discussion from former majority and minority leader. I mean, with all his experience and with their own, I would want to side with him. The punishment needed should be meted in some form. Then you're deterrent to the others.
But how do you punish
exactly
without investigating?
Exactly,
after the investigation, Nekoba said they are not complicit of what the alleged malpractice, and I said the alleged misbehavior. For 2 weeks now, and the embarrassment in the public domain and in the constituents. And somebody's going to use it for election.
Absolutely.
Oh yes.
Absolutely.
Just as can come okay. Somebody obi the back now say when I want to come na shebe je fi okokun to kwama ye twen ne san no. Most have to aba malako guma ni masibio. Or the bear campaign.
And then somebody tested in one of the shows.
So say.
For the first time, you don't cause a kusi and
Ugo munum table.
They'll come after you.
And they will come after you, and they will come after you.
Yeah, you best say let's continue again. Kennedy, I would have to rely on you again, Honorable. Why would you want to reconstitute the appointment committee? For what crime? I mean, excesses in the back. So speaker say or very constitute appointment committee.
And on what basis now call reconstitute? Are they in your ear because of the C and
Exactly.
or Sasano?
Who person reconstitute a committee or parliament? You can do it.
The speaker.
Yeah, it depends. Especially be an appointment committee for no members. Maybe Yabo Mudi, Aquaconia appointment or baby, Anazia, Ibioha. Say a bonny dinner man be appointment. Only means an appointment committee. So a banner there will be an element of maybe conflict of interest. And normally is this. And I mean what has happened to the 4 MPs, you know. Whether say you would like them to come back to the appointment committee because of the way they behave and those things, you know. I know the other one, I'm not very sure of it. But I say a reconstituted committee in Parliament there. Actually, it is allowed. It is allowed. I say you're forming committees now, and you're casting vote for the whole 4 years. You can vary it as and when you feel necessary. But so Gina, the SC will so. Ekas what the reconstitute a appointment committee now. I feel that it's not the best.
I mean,
people who say, maybe an interview with, I think, interview. This young man from Channel 1 TV now, Bernard Able.
okay.
And he said, sir, Muntak, I don't think it was Bernard. I think Joy. Only this young man from Joy. One of the interviews, say, or autocratic dictatorship near the Maybe Musufi say penny nephew ma as if wafa. And I say you win and kai the kaho. So I'm fanning and sick for ma or suspend ye. When you say no more trasia, and I said, channel better trasia. Will be anyone more acquires idea and watch suspension.
The punishment in itself, you say a deterrent.
Yes.
Now, Parliament, no, they are the master of their own
house
laws
of
and
record.
A house of record and all that. I mean, you would want things to be done. Send a precedent would guide us in the future. Now, on what laws, on what standing orders, and the agent so to Sana Mono and who be here. For all intents and purposes, I mean, Alban Bagbin, Right Honorable Alban Bagbin wields so much influence and expertise based on the experience he's had.
That's right.
He's been a parliamentarian for a very long time. From the 3rd Parliament, he's always been on the Parliamentary Service Board.
That's right.
It tells you the kind of person you are involved with. Now, minority side, because they don't have a single 2001 year MP.
Omunyako.
Some 2005 year MP.
2000 and 2005. Ebini 2008.
So the 2009 year, January 2009.
And MPP is depleted somewhat in Parliament.
A lot.
9 pay. And now this is the 9th.
The 2017 Parliament. No?
Nine.
Wow.
160 call. Aka and Krumpe.
Wow.
Charlie, that's huge.
But on the other side, Ubo Collins Dowda he transcends.
On the senior.
So,
if it are in Accra,
2005 year group.
Okay. I got so about 2008.
So,
you
have
Muntaka 2006.
A lot of them.
Yeah.
Will be
Abezi and Kobi. Abezi Hobio. But they have a lot.
They have a lot of them.
And even the younger ones, Okujato is instead.
Absolutely.
Okujato is instead. 2012.
Absolutely.
It's Omumodu. And about parliamentary experience as well. Omu will be so chair.
One of the quick punches the then majority leader, to force in the land here in this parliament is that yes, leave Afenyo, he's my brother. We all decided to come to parliament at the same time. I won the primaries and he lost.
So I'm your senior, learn from me.
So, let's accept this for what it is. But there are two things I would want to dwell on before I may real speak and answer.
A quick one.
The lack
traffic trivia. Maminya birthday back we see an minya brand to be mauna. Nana Kasiwa our Bantama SDA Church. Your brother Kachre Obi. Esio Mautinkwa. Nana Kasiwa. Mr. Omumba to me the out to swama mentemwa. Okay. Maybe Masha Sheno, Montomboasi. Masha Sheno accordingly, me boy. Mrs. Rebecca and Cancer Jachini Adini Shasie. Mrs. Rebecca and Cancer Jachi. Okay. Husband of Samuel in Cancer Jachi of Active Point Dental Clinic. My mom, Comforter Doma. Moso. Asante Achim. Oba Samuel in Cancer Active Point. Dr. Obrichum Mensam Ponsa. Pontius of Best Brain International School. Papa Pancras and Mom Bella. O sister Obapa. During that for Japan, American Preparatory School, if you say, O Papa, Mr. Market, Japan, Kumaura Bank, and our Felicity, a four men's of Menshia prisons. O sister Laurentia, Ota for Municipal Assembly. Nana Kesua, Edunuso, Bantama SDA Church, Ketche Obi, Yvonne Nyakwa Bronoma of London, Ketche Obi sends that. To my wife, Sarah Jewa, CEO of Amasara Mother Care, KJTIA. From your husband, Tommy, of GNPC. Hey, Tommy. Have you said, Nana? Yeah. You didn't come out. I said, you're feeling some costly. Vetting. You bubu up, no body. Up, you're chini pan 9. As insane. But a bit more Tito or Robert Chambers as a baby needs out to me, no. And Ramon on to me and chamber. I said, you need sense. I remember no one send yes, you called it a massive for you done a deal. Therefore, Adama. The course you can say.
Yo, minimum CP. Now, I'm in fact when I sumpa, I have food in natural. Yeah, I sumpa, Mamma, I popular with you.
I that's it.
Me, baby, I know if I see no basum person, no basum party. Now, a hammy say, a busy sabri mean to me now. A midra, Monfancha me traffic. Traffic na a GG me a castle, and so Nina can't a man me free 7:14.
Oh,
and I can't
wait.
I just said, make more than 1 hour. And son, I may be drew hay. And so, soon to know a semiba. Yeah. What from Junction or crying a problem? A honey problem. A honey problem, no cry.
Okay, then I am
Yo, now I'm more regional minister about for Dr. Mimona Basso, and Minia Captain Jabari. Honestly, so your regional coordinating council, regional coordinator, security coordinator.
Oh, on a couple.
Yeah, and Captain Jabari, who tear me on a permit. mebo abaso na ensemo a ekeka koyi se ye nyina yehwe bi anase mu yi wo afidie su obi ehwe na menni ni se Suban we am koda na di wo hoi menyi ni yese eka parliamentary standing order no a honorable Kennedy kan no eka ho me ba na metie obetumi ne na gina ho ayi wo ya mebo aso wo ya me yo sei nanso se ebeto ye nsa de nya no kwa so na hwe teacher for wo enso hwe bi o me ye free bi aptitude test.
That's right
sa aptitude test no omo ye e de hwe onipa no ne temperament se enkanka omo akokire emparaade omo akokire emparaade so na enano biko yibi e o baabi interview bi na ekoye no enipa ekoye no obia ni wa won provide akunya chairman se won transe ko jina ho for some time na grofo start ye na mo afa ko nya amaye na ni se na ka tire ba pese look o mo pese wo mu di hu se de motie temperament se assembly si a obetumi anya ho abotre na wa behave well and now be misbehave na wenum nyina interviews a omo ye meba muitie na anase de ekoso nyina no enye se bia enipa no motive nyina ne so pese wo hu se ne suban ye enipa no we faithful anaso ebi kra no pese wo hu ne temperament se na koma no se
sa omo kodwa no ya makunya ne bibu ofu
yes
na mpanimfo no so ebia omo wo camera omo hwemo
mo attitude enti obi wo kra omo so ko interview a yemi se na sem bia o enso no ye be ma no kwa amena ko obi wo e be bisa ne nsem nyina so akwanya kra no onye dai onya nkoye adwuma no because mo jina onyina ye hwe mo temperament mo demeanor abrochire wuduru ho a abrofo no CCTV camera se etwa obi ti ho a wo hwe wo nante se de osi otwetwa wani se de osi a wo ye yo niema eno ko akra me etum be fro se bra emie bisa se na se bia dise wo mkomu ahu se bibia ne ho na emum ebia bibi ehu bi na abo nti na ma wo ye yesa what you say enti obi a wakọ parliament ya tenasi ya bre ya che ewom saade na no ma kwan se kopeja table ko totwene e no ma kwan se kopeja microphone na totwene e no ma kwan se ade no etomre bia ya na afenyo markings e na me wabotre I can contain you but you can't control me but enipa woni abotre ba ko ni afenyo markings
oni abotre
yes upushi ni sesi a ne bubefu upushi ni sesi a afenyo markings ne bubefu eso tembia okasa medium wabotre I can contain you maybe you cannot contain me I have patience I have respect for you but at the moment you be pushing ba ko pe obon say na trigger na omo ye womo and the same thing and on so ye no ebi okro pese wo hu nipa no ne temperament set at the same
to say no ne Sam George ye no
yes o pese wo hu say Sam George be sore de ne nsabu bo table so e de abufuo akasem bi ayina no because assembly wo ho obisa no ase ebi a me na metincha na me nua Kennedy e na tinchen a e ko beka say me anka mabisa no sei ana me anka mema na answer sei but ebi a na Sam George so wan fa sa answer na ama no wahu na ni nyina enkanfu ano adie ne si ho kwan ayi sa fa kalega ye wo ayi so ka omo ya punish
Jerry Ahmed
ono kra de yan punish no anka me a metwe petition me akọ punish
Jerry Ahmed
yes ɛna me kura no me hu we say punishment me ba no na me tie say mo ka say babin wa anye ni yie ne post nuru ho sa enti na mpese wonye den sei per this situation onye den ma say niema no yakofa ofra bi so
or say they will be surcharged.
yes me bo surcharged fine say me ba yi enka metumi abubu mu computer ye wo na me wo ska ne matwa na mkom ba bi sa ne ye no
David
say school for na koye sanke be gya wo mu amomu akọ inya mo mu nko wahu eniema bi wo ho a say the me sha say kan say as much as you want people respect you as honorables, don't do horrible things like you did. Hey, when me MP, na me ni say me MP, obekwa ko this answer fun we say.
Jabe,
Onko yes sir.
Anya ye osu echa.
Yes, me ni. Ah, obi one ne na natena pen. Onko this answer fun we. So ahu. Na wo ye MP. Na wo ko gina parliament. Fie mrahye bedwa fie yese mo nkɔhwɛ wo bi a ye de adwuma ɛhyɛ ne nsa mo nkɔtoto na no na mo nsa adwuma wo betumi ayɛ ana wontumi nyɛ tebu bubu ani sɛn hwɛ wo bi te sɛ anodom pro okra nyame na aboa wo a usan nya kwan isi
nyame na aboa de sɛ oba sanje isi ada
nyame na aboa
ye kan aba ne wie ukasa ade you are not being fair to anodom pre ye kan aba no ye kan wie ye no nye isi na kɔtworo to hɔ
na hwan na kɔtworo to
da bi ye kan aba ne wie ye no
sɛ first on mo kan no wa lose
na wo hu bi da ya ken kan mabu on my eti enye isi adama or win elections.
Okay, my yi isi the free.
Wa win elections.
Me ba.
Because nyame na aboa no.
Nyame na aboa no my yi isi the. Nyame na aboa wo. Se nye nyame na boa wo a. Enka ba no kra ne yebu fa wo so. Ene nyame agina wati ne wanya kwan. Onya kwan koya. Enka e wo se no kra no. E no kra.
E humble.
E humble. Na o san komi mo metri so koye ye niema eti sei dia. Yaw. Meka kire nsa womfo sei. Enka wo mun san on hyase enye campaign kura ntia no sei abia nkoto aba no biom ya ntuntia no biom because na ne kwa so no eti de ba bi ye ne de wo ye dia prevent niema bi for the meantime me kura me nka me hu se wa punish wo mu e ye suspension mun nyina ntan ne hwehwe asem no hey asem bia sia wa asem ne fa ho no wa kura no hey senka wo mu kura if they call themselves honorables if they have their own conscience enka wo mu abetena se no mu akase okay yakotena ase a say ye ne aye no kura ne yehu ade aye na yakotena ase a ye hwe video no ana ye hwe TV so ne yehu attitude a ye putu no app no ye hunu se antwa ye enti ye ne aye tena cha munye hwehwemu e abrofa nkom be ye sa ade no mu de omuntumi nye sa enti de ba me ye ne de honorable chairman sabonsu ena no mitie lawyer pebu ono so kan de se on crowd also wo munkosi speaker. Fine, it's their prerogative right. So between me, I could see you speaker. But said the honorable chairman Sabonsun so can. I will need sell to me, dear Nanka. Question means me be answer. Now, opposite on your day. Say, CA. Now, opposite on your day.
So in the interim, no.
Yes, see. In the interim, no, opposite on your day.
So refer to privileges committee.
Now, I'm on some trust me this answer.
Let me say the moment you are referred to privileges committee, no. These four. You better make out your say. Omo entry omo free committee no go you o man of
privilege committee ye nyan set a privilege committee
that's what they are saying.
What you say ye nyan set a privilege committee no na ono nso no ye pani a o fie ho no e de na sese wo ye de sese wo ya ne se wo ka kirom so munyina nchen
okay
ne yen hwehwemu ye ada se atumi de obi kotum kura at the end of the day be yen hwehwemu ne hu se nipa no oni fo
ye ja no
what you say na emum enka wo ye kura no enkenya yampia na wo so mbetwen wo ka wo mo fo ni nyina beka bomu atwere krata ba ko e dia bre ganafo e di bia ko mo constituencies akoma nipa yi wo mo so wo mo nko no akopo mo chew say in fact de ye ne de anye yi entwa yi na nka ganafo nyina hunu se ampa we nu de mo ye honorable sampa but mo san agina kire e twen ayampia wo na mi bisa me ho se mo ana mo koye anase nipa na de mo koye na se nipa na de mo koye dia e wo se mo nso mo di buo eni anidie emma nipa no a omo de mo koye no esanse sabi o sabi ye kan obia krom ohempon bi wo ho obia krom ohempon bi wo ho obia krom pani bi wo ho obia fi abusuani pani bi wo ho agentina mo mfa nidie kakra ma wo mo se enipa eto abama ye nu nti mom yankopa chew ye de munya madwene se mbepa chew de mo pese mo ya ne se yantwe ayampia enti media me pese me gina ram ka chom se de om ye no enye sa na yesoma om se om nkoye yanka nkyere om se om ko bubu tables enti ye ma om apia eniema om ase no ka no yen san twe om aso biem si om ka sem ni nyina awie ya se om nifo a yen ka se om ntua niema ne ka wo na se om difo ne ka se om ntua niema ne ka de a ene nka me kura me suggest say wo constituencies kura yen san ko ye election foforo na yen to abantia wo na wo metena fie no mu nsua nyansa.
That is far fetched eno de entimi maso atiase me da say ma me bra won ma me few minutes na menye announcement we sisi a we yen kai bo a mesremo a mo nya so ntie me the late Bino Akwasi Adubofo of Abino wonya mfie de oson baako ekona busia pani Akwasi okra bo aman fija ohene ba adubra de otoso mienu bo aman hene ohene de akua pokua bo aman hema nana ya bo ama beposo ekwana hene nana kodwa sumi ekwana hene amoakoko nti hene opanyi kusia babi oyekumsi nana boatema abroma hema opening kusia baby okumase nana kwakuado ye CEO me na aba group of companies honorable Kandapa former national security minister honorable Kakaria Chamfo former DC Boama Fija eja Boatin Freeman wo USA nana Samoa Boakye CEO of Nana Boakye Heba and Nana Siedu Safo Parkside Limited enuanom ye Charles Elias Red USA Obeku Amponsa Adwo Ampofoa emma no ye Kinsley Opom Elias Padan ena Abigail Edusa na we si yemfa ntomanum se nyame yadoma busumi asimu ni da etoso ngotwe eya memne da ebei bo aman fija lo num pepepepe ye de wofabino eto empem na bo aman afija funeral grounds don kokopim no nsia no womo aye na yie nemom awufusum no ewo bo aman Baptist Church eno no eye memne da no a epeja amu no nonkro na na de ko bo aman Baptist Church ko ye awufusum ama no na donko eye memne dai no ekopim no nsia ewo bo aman fija funeral grounds eye kese no baso ade akye abo aman fija Baptist Church eye na asia sorry na mre no ye nonkro na busia besa betena se ewo bo aman fija funeral grounds wa enti nananom atsankonya ene bo aman kro nyina se ye to nsa afro se bra na ofabino aye no memne dai na baso eye de di nkojankoja enti no mbra mejawe na ye nkura ye disi achi kra we eye nkaibo a efri ebo ama na abedu memre na so na Kennedy dia na odi twato ne apagya emu na minim se because me pebra ma na ya trans wo galamsey ne ho eye nana nti ne me pebre why ukwada we de ye ne Komfanochi CEO onsa asantema wura ekohwe phase 1 no nti ukwada wa betra na wa bebiebie mu akire kan de na odi twato
ye dika na ye bebo otiko konso 24 say to be abaso for such a wonderful idea ode ebaye abe eye agua ohun se Komfanochi yare nti ye na ye nsa na yare a ono a kwotena adwamu a oye fundraising the boy na o hwa so a na no ko okoduru wo
o na efe
ade a oye ye no anye ade bi a eye ade fufuru bi a na se ya anya ade bone eye ade a wogi sika no a ye de boy no aye adwuma papa ama obi a ehunu se aye kra behwe nti ye besere se ye nyina no enwie that is phase 1 phase 2 ni wo
yeah
we phase 2 gra na say phase 3 we are Komfanochi chance ni bi da humbo a very good idea say
wa untia untobo ano
ade ba ko ade bia na America no say at a point in time ni go asenka two for share say na so that time no government of the day shouldn't have even sit down na ka sa da no an consumer health ministry
Babu biye jaba biye be ba ko ti aseni eni ya sa fa transio na se tutu abebio ti pia mi o kata
80 million Ghana cedis for one
kaya yi
kaya project na 80
na ho konfanoche
so
mo ma yem fum so pi dodo
na me in the hem of affairs anka mra me test anu ma me hunu za no anka that day na anka me ma kasa etu afiri ankran ama na ba be sikumasa abegina be ka kire na we dey wadaro ma eye health ministry says sika we afa ni nyina e be konfanoche so na me jump back of course yes I know it gave us a lot of bad political
and at a point crowd mo be yi niam our port na eno so akoye daadwe
whatever the case no
oh
ohene o si ade yo oye otumfuo ankasa no de o cars wo be ye no me dey say the end product no ayesa
yeah hofo
ma bibia ba so kama
more pictures of phase 1 anka mo fa hwe fe hey
na Omanhene masere MPP fo no dey make kire o mu the way almost sad any ni o ma na ekono enya de a ebeboa ye dey no ye kasa from experience perspective. So we hear from 2000, you call a region, the regional officers are near Ohonoa. You to be and maybe manage the MPP from the year 2001. I can't inipa minupe. Omunina yanko point to Musafro Munina. Yes, be your malusu elections. So they don't have, you don't have anybody or that institutional memory. No, I'll bet me a catcher of the apart from me and the chairman to Kwanaka. Jamatu so yin if you call anymore but you can't babuna no wa yes a juma no otimi collecting him from 2000 by being in the helm of a party in Ashanti region up to this time 27 years continues I mean the party the biya party juma na say me a year aban juma for 27 good years continues on yes ya break ya kwaba
Jenim die no wo
we really understand those story but na radios now pay some yeni baby asam no person do kodu then you share your mraka say ya take my local committee ye nya no man for findings mra na o meka bibia o busa bibia wi ye ma o mu month bia o mu fa nya sa de na ne fa mra
o mu nwie
afa de na nsi a o be hu party pe no sorry na go tena radios no ka reason bo party no sorry na go tena radios no ka na de sa na obi ayi na se munimu am committee committee na ye Omanhene dey make out so if you know why did you form up the committee
okay
You're very careful and I am moving no yango wayward because when you start maybe nobody can stop us and we're not going to some of us are not going to sit down for anybody to do anything that the person wants in this party what the mention you meant yentna was how Omanhene and I make a cement now I me bida
on come ye me den so me mra so ti me afrala ya to e komodo so another day ahala di mu besi be da mu nyina kwase agudifo no beto aso na oye na atokuma se asante kotoko e won si atre no o ma bobo no ma hwe e yare hosem se PRO be ko match ni akwo no sekan ku no
PRO
kotoko PROs no mo be kasa o radio no so
I say
communicators no Poli one of the very renowned Obieni you know e Ghana I want a second ku no it's very bad very bad
Adi we be si pay Robert Mensa
Robert Mensa